Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make the sopa Toscana from Olive Garden. This is like the best soup that they have there. Every time we go, we always get that soup. And yeah, it's just my favorite and I actually think it's really easy to make. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I make that. Okay, so now for the ingredients, you're going to need a large onion, 4 large russet potatoes, a bunch of kale, chicken broth, bacon, Italian sausage, and heavy whipping cream, and then just salt and pepper for taste. Okay, so first step, I'm just gonna start cooking my sausage, and I'm just added salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna start breaking it up so it can cook easier. So meanwhile, I have the sausage cooking over here. In this other pot, I just added 1 cup of water and the 32-ounce can of the chicken broth. And I am going to let that boil. And I'm going to throw in my potatoes. Okay, so after I cooked my sausage, I just grabbed another little sartén. And I threw in the onion and the bacon in here. So we're just going to wait for that to cook. And once that's cooked, we're going to throw it all in with the potatoes. And then as far as the onion goes, I put 3/4 of an onion in there just because me and Jose really like onion, so I put in a little bit extra. If you don't like a lot of onion, then I mean put less, you know, it's up to you. And then bacon, I put in a whole pack of bacon. So yeah, that shouldn't take long to cook. Okay, so I've gone ahead and just mixed everything together. I'm gonna wait maybe about 10 more minutes so the potatoes can get a little bit softer, and then I'm gonna add the whipping cream and then the kale. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the kale. I don't know if this is exactly how you do it, like exactly how you cut it, but I'm just cutting it like if it were cilantro, just like peeling it off of the stem and just throwing it in the pot. So you should just be left with this once all of your kale is off of like the little stem. Usually I like to buy the kale that's already like pre-packaged, I guess, but they didn't have any at Walmart this time. So I had to get like the whole bunch of it. And it was really cheap actually. It was 98 cents for, I mean, a good amount of kale. More than what I think comes in the bag regularly. So yeah, I had to get that instead. Usually when I get the bag, it's like $3. So I'm just gonna let this simmer for about another 5 minutes, just so all of the kale is wilted. This is the finished result, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour myself some, and I'll show you guys how I like top it off, what kind of toppings I use and all that kind of stuff. So I just went ahead and added some cheese in here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add some red pepper flakes just so it can give it a little bit of a kick. And that is basically it, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the soup out now. Guys, it is so good. Seriously, 10 out of 10. It's really easy to make. It just takes a while, maybe like 45 minutes to an hour, but it is so worth it. And it tastes exactly like the one from Olive Garden. So yeah, please go ahead and tag me if you guys do recreate this recipe. I want to see how yours comes out. And what else? Yeah, that's about it. Go ahead and leave in the comments down below any other recipes that you guys want to suggest for me to try and make, and I will get to making them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.